MPs, impaired member of parliament, met speaker. We sat there 20 minutes. We asked, we requested the speaker, we need an answer today on this issue. What Priyanka ji told, you already heard. What happened today? Last 2 days, what was the fight in the Lok Sabha? What was the complete narrative in the Lok Sabha? You cannot read the book 349, Article 349. You cannot read the book, you cannot quote the article. You cannot quote the article in the magazine. This is against the rule. Rahul Gandhi is violating the rule. Is this? This is the narrative. Speaker himself told, given a ruling, that is the narrative. Today what happened? Today what Rahul ji yesterday told, I am not quoting the book, I am not quoting the magazine. I want to speak. Then also you didn't allow to speaking. Within a second, switch off the mic. Within a second, switch off the mic of LLP, leader of opposition mic. Switch off kar diya. Within a second. Today what happened? Nishikant Dubey, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is not here in this country now. Not here in this world. He is no more. Indira Gandhi is no more. They cannot come to reply this allegation. This is the clear violation of the parliamentary customs and procedure. You cannot quote a person who is not alive. You cannot take a book referring that person, that former Prime Minister. He spoke 5 minutes today. Rahul Gandhi is not even allowed for 30 seconds. Mic switch off kar diya. Nishikant Dubey, quote the book, quote the magazines, which is totally against 349 as per Speaker's yesterday ruling. He has been allowed for 5 minutes today. Completely a double standard of the government. Basically what happened, now we don't think that there is a speaker position in the parliament. Everything is government deciding. Speaker's power is completely disappeared. Today we saw that. If presiding officer's power was there, we can see something. Some action. Therefore, we entire MPs completely, we are totally pained today. Totally pained. This is a clear killing of democracy. This is a clear killing of parliamentary democracy. Therefore, entire MPs went to Speaker and we asked the Speaker for action taken. Take on this regard also. To take action, sufficient action against this action also. Therefore, he assured us that he will discuss with the government and will come back 4 o'clock.